How to turn off and hide your read receipts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off and hide your read receipts on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu that appears, you can just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap privacy. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can simply scroll down and find the read receipts option. And once you've found it, you can simply toggle it off. Now here, when you read messages in individual chats, the sender won't see the blue check mark. But keep in mind that you also won't be able to see read receipts from other people. And the read receipts still apply in group chats even if you turn it or turn off the read receipts option as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.